Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I am Syafiqah binti Yahya. In this video, I will share the plant-animal hormonal interaction. So, as we know, plant and animal are very important toward each other, as plant need animal to spread the seeds or pollen to make sure the survival of their next generation. And while plant is very important to animal because plants supply food to the animal in order for animal to survive. Besides this interaction, there are also a hormonal interaction occur between plant and animal. Somehow, animal cannot synthesize hormone and they need to eat certain part of plants as induced for them to synthesize hormone. Plants produce a wide range of compounds with structural and functional similarities to vertebrate hormones, and usually wildlife species are exposed to these toxins either through plant digestion or by water exposure. Based on study, it shows that exposure to this hormonally active phytochemical or HAP often has sequence for behavior, physiology, and fecundity. The interaction of plants and animals are possibly many levels and depends on ability of physiologically active compounds. The interaction between these two organisms involve feeding attractant and feeding repellent. So, in this video, I will explain how hormone can influence the vertebrate. The most identified HAP are flavonoid, lignins and lignans, common stans or saponins. There are thousands of flavonoid and lignan structure via the general phenylpropanoid pathway, and numerous saponins are produced squalene and cholesterol through the mevalonate pathway. Both flavonoids and saponin are widely distributed across taxa. Different parts of plant life stage and environment will affect the HAP content, distribution, and quantities in plant at any given time. HAP often regulate protective chemical strategies in plant. They usually accumulate in plant tissues in response to stressors like light intensity, competition, extreme soil moisture, or temperature. Since there are many drivers of HAP, so there are many functions of it. For example, lignin provides structural support for terrestrial plant. Both saponin and flavonoid function in allelopathic and plant defense against foreign organisms. As they have many various structure and function, so they are able to communicate across taxonomy. For example, genistein, which is isoflavonoid, recruit nitrogen-fixing bacteria to legume roots and bind to vertebrate estrogen receptor that modulate reproduction, behavior, and metabolism. In fishes, amphibians, mammals, and birds, HAP can change the timing, frequency, or duration of reproductive behavior or event. HAP also can reduce gamete quality, fertilization rate, fecundity, or offspring mass and viability due to alteration of circulating steroid hormone concentration or gonad morphology. Although many negative effects of HAP, there are also positive, which HAP have increased the reproductive output. HAP also affect animal physiology by a variety of physiological mechanisms. HAP can bind or block animal hormone in a large part due to structural similarity and thereby alter hormone, regulated gene expression, and downstream control of hormone synthesis, receptor expression, and feedback loops. How important hormone interaction between plant and animal for our environment. So that's all from me. Thank you.